What's going on, guys? This is the ultimate guide on how to make money with your drone. Part 2, get your FAA Part 107 license. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Art here off the Dome Media Group. So you made it through part 1. Now what? Now it's time to get all legal-like. As you probably know, before you can legally earn any money with your drone, you have to have your FAA Part 107 remote pilot license. So how do you get your license? The short answer is you have to be 16 years old, pay $150, take and pass the FAA knowledge exam, and pass the TSA background check. Now the key to this process is how you study for your exam. You have options. Depending on where you live, you can actually attend a brick and mortar college or university and receive a degree in unmanned aircraft system sciences or something similar. Going this route will give you tons of knowledge and information and prepare you for a career in the SUAS or drone industry. But more than likely, this would not prepare you for the actual FAA knowledge exam. It would also probably require traditional college loans and grants. Your next option would be an online school. Now, most of these programs are designed specifically for the purpose of getting you prepared for and passing the FAA knowledge exam. Typically, you'll have training modules and exams for individual topics and a final exam covering everything. Now, the next and final options are what I call the free options. Now, just know that the FAA does provide free study guides and sample tests. Similar to the FAA materials, there are other free sites and apps that provide study materials and tests that can help you out also. Of course, there are also plenty of helpful YouTube videos out here. I have a couple up myself. I'll put a link up here somewhere so you can check them out. So the question I get all the time is, how did I get my license? What path did I take? The short answer again is that I went the free route like most people. I downloaded guide after guide, bought a few books, hung out in Facebook and meetup groups, and got nowhere. I got frustrated, was losing time. I ended up signing up with Remote Pilot 101, studied my butt off. In 7 days, I had my license. You have to ask yourself, what works best for you? How do you study? How much time do you have? Figure it out, make a choice, act on it, and get your license. All the resources that I mentioned will be in the description below for you to check out. Okay, that's it for part 2. In part 3, we'll be rolling our sleeves up and making our drone business legal. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. And more importantly, fly safe. Peace.